Children, it's our talk time now. Today, teacher has got an interesting story to tell you. So let's check out the story now.
The name of the story is Tony Learns to Listen Before Talking. So name of the story is, children, Tony learns to listen before talking. This is Tony the tiger. Tony is very upset. Do you want to know why Tony Tiger is upset? So let's hear it from Tony Tiger. I am very upset. I have lost my red and blue ball. I don't know what to do. What should I do now? Where should I search for the ball? Let me go ask all my friends. Maybe they will help me. Then Tony rushes to meet Mithu Parrot. He goes to Mithu and says, Mithu, I have lost my red and blue ball. Have you seen it? Mithu Parrot says, I think. But before Mithu can complete his sentence, Tony starts talking again. It is my favorite ball. I don't know where to search for it. It's okay if you do not know about it. Maybe Monty knows. Mithu says, But Tony, listen. But Tony quickly rushes to meet Monty the monkey without completely listening to what Mithu had to say. Tony Tiger goes to Monty and says, Monty, I have lost my red and blue ball. Have you seen it? Monty Monkey says, Tony, I think. But before Monty can complete his sentence, Tony starts talking again. It is my favorite ball. I don't know where to search for it. It's okay if you do not know about it. Maybe Bunny knows. Monty Monkey says, Tony, listen. But Tony quickly rushes to meet Bunny the rabbit without completely listening to what Monty had to say. Tony Tiger goes to Bunny the rabbit and says, Bunny, I have lost my red and blue ball. Have you seen it? Bunny Rabbit says, Tony, I think. But before Monty can complete his sentence, children, Tony starts talking again. It is my favorite ball. I don't know where to search for it. It's okay if you do not know about it. Maybe Jumbo knows? Bunny Rabbit says, Tony, listen. But Tony quickly rushes to meet Jumbo the elephant without completely listening to what Bunny had to say. Tony Tiger says, Jumbo, I have lost my red and blue ball. Have you seen it? Jumbo Elephant says, Tony, I think. But before Jumbo could complete his sentence, Tony starts talking again, children. Tony said, It was my favorite ball. Jumbo said, But Tony. Tony Tiger did not listen to Jumbo and he continued speaking. I don't know where to search for it. Jumbo Elephant said, Tony. Tony continued talking still and said, I am really upset. Jumbo said, Tony, stop! Tony stopped talking. Jumbo said, Tony, relax. Tell me, why are you upset? You cannot keep talking. You have to listen first before you talk. Tony Tiger said, What are you saying? Jumbo Elephant said, Listen to me carefully. You cannot keep talking and not listen to others. Please remember, we listen before we talk. Tony Tiger said, Yes, I am sorry. I should have first listened to what you had to say and then continued talking. Jumbo Elephant said, Yes, Tony. How else would you know what I have to say? Even if I knew where the ball was, you would have missed hearing about it. Tony Tiger, while thinking, said, You are so right, Jumbo. Now please tell me if you know where my ball is. Jumbo Elephant said, No, I don't know where it is, but I will help you search for it. Tony Tiger said, Thanks, Jumbo. Mitu Parrot comes flying up to them. Mitu Parrot said,
Tony, Tony, Tony.
Tony Tiger said, Hello, Mitu. Mitu Parrot said,
Tony, I know where your ball is. I was trying to tell you, but you were not listening.
Tony said, Sorry, Mitu, but now I have learnt my lesson. We should listen before we talk. Mitu Parrot said,
Yes, I think that is a very good habit. Now, please listen. I had seen your red and blue ball in the garden near the tree. Please go and see if it is still there.
Tony Tiger said, Thank you, Mitu. Tony rushes to the garden near the tree and sees his ball there. Tony Tiger said, Oh, I am very happy. Now I can play with my ball with all my friends. However, I am always going to remember that we should listen before we talk. So, children, remember, we should always listen before we talk. Let's say it again. We should always listen before we talk.